I'm at one of my favorite nurseries in the whole Okanagan. They just opened at the end of February. They have this lovely pansy and viola stand. I love this cart. Now let's go in and see what we can find. I'm so excited to see the greenery this year. I just walked into the greenery, and if I could share the smell with you, I would. It smells amazing in here. Look at all these pretty flowers, the primulas, the pansies. It is amazing, and my goodness, the display that they have this year, it's always incredible. And the great hyacinths there. If I could share the smell, it smells amazing!
At the front here, it's just mainly all cold hardy flowers like primulas, pansies, violas, and others.
Look at these pretty primrose there.
This is one of my favorite nurseries, not only because of their huge selection, but also because of their history. The Greenery is a family-owned garden center that started back in 1972. Over the years, they had a few different locations before moving to this location in 1994. Look at all the varieties of colors in these pansies. Each one is like a splash of color in the greenhouse. If I had all day, I could spend hours just looking at all these flowers.
Some more violas over here. Look at these pretty dianthuses there. This one is my absolute favorite color.
I am using a lot of restraint. There are so many beautiful flowers, I could easily fill my garden.
These ones are really pretty as well.
I love these pom-pom daisies. They are just beautiful. So many vibrant colors all in bloom. This is Matche Fire Ranunculus. So pretty. I love ranunculus as they are a really pretty spring cut flower, and they have extremely long vase life of 10 to 12 days, sometimes being longer. Here's all the spring lettuce, herbs, and cold hardy vegetables.
Some ferns.
Another neat fact about the Greenery is they are huge. They are over 43,000 square feet of retail greenhouse space. And one of the things I love is that they grow their own plants right here on site. Love these beautiful coral bells. I have them in my garden. Here's a bunch of lavender and other perennials. There are just so many beautiful plants to look at here. I just love walking around the greenery. A whole bunch of perennial grasses here, perfect for those xeriscape gardens. I love all these beautiful succulents. Look at all the pretty colors. Those ones are super cute. This aisle of succulents is huge. I always love seeing daffodils blooming as they're one of the first signs of spring. These colorful pansy baskets are one of my favorite things about the greenery. I have so many of these colorful baskets. I know I already said it, but the smell of these hyacinthus are incredible. And look at all the pretty colors, especially these coral ones.
Those are really pretty. Begonia maculata. It's a sea of herbs and geraniums there. Basil smells so good.
Another thing I really like about coming here is seeing familiar staff. Some of the people working here have been here for decades, which really says a lot about the place.
Look at these cute planters there. The begonias, all the colors. These succulent bowls are so pretty. Look at that one. Now into the succulents. Some cactuses.
All these little cactuses are so cute.
My goodness, look how pretty these ones are.
I personally love cactuses as they come in so many neat little shapes and sizes. The nursery is so nice and quiet today. It actually snowed this morning, so that probably kept a lot of people away. But I don't mind. It almost feels like I have the whole place to myself. All these hanging plants are so neat above me. Look at this tropicalness. Just a tropical rainforest here. So many colors to choose from for bulbs. If you're in the Okanagan area, it's definitely worth taking a drive to Kelowna this spring to check out the Greenery. You won't regret it. A bunch more beautiful tropical plants. A banana tree. Now near the end is the section I finally came here for, the colorful pots. Huge wall of West Coast seeds. And some more Pacific Northwest seeds. Good selection of gloves. I always need more than one pair. And if you want to get all crazy, there's some really colorful gardening socks. Nice selection of all the tools you need. All the soil, huge selection. And lastly, one of the biggest selections of seed potatoes and onion bulbs I've seen this year. Well, I just finished the Greenery nursery. It is so pretty in there. It smells amazing in there. I love it. I ended up just getting a few pots for my baby microdwarf tomato plants because they only need 1 gallon pot sizes as they are microdwarf, but baby microdwarfs, they only grow to be 6 inches tall, so it's amazing. You see this little gift basket here? I won a contest last year with some gardening pictures. I posted on a contest page they had, and with the $25 gift certificate I won last year, apparently I also got a little gift basket. So a little bonus going to the nursery, and this whole little haul only cost me a whopping 62 cents out of pocket. Amazing. I'm pretty happy with that. So there you have it. That is my little tour, walk around the Greenery. If you like this video and would like to see more gardening videos coming up, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.